Ever wondered if the font you use while coding could make you more productive? Fonts like Fira Code not only improve readability, but also feature coding ligatures that can change the way you write code. Let me show you how to set it up and why it's a game changer. One of the biggest challenges developers face is finding a font that's easy to read, reduces eye strain, and doesn't slow down coding. Fonts with unclear characters or poor alignment can lead to unnecessary frustration, affecting both your speed and accuracy. But that's where Fira Code comes in. Now let's go through the process of setting up Fira Code. First, head to the official Fira Code GitHub page or Google Fonts to download it. Here we can see the font preview. We can also check ligatures. To download, click Get Font, download all, and the pop-up will appear. Okay, hit Save As. And after that, just find the font where you downloaded and run the font here. So we'll install it. Once you have installed the font on your system, open up your code editor. I'm using VS Code, but this works with the most popular editors. Here's how you enable ligatures in VS Code. Open your settings and search for font. Set the font family to Fira Code. Scroll down to font ligatures and make sure to enable them. And that's it. Now your code editor is fully equipped with Fira Code's sleek ligatures. Once you have Fira Code set up, you'll notice the magic of ligatures in action. Characters like these combine into single, elegant symbols that are much easier to scan and understand. It's a subtle but powerful feature that makes your code looks cleaner and more organized. This is a code with a regular font without using ligatures, and this is the one that uses ligatures, and this is Fira Code font. And now compared side by side. On the left side we have a default font, and on the right we have a Fira Code with ligatures. See the difference. In summary, coding fonts play a bigger role in your day-to-day development than you might think. Fira Code stands out by improving readability and reducing strain with its sleek design and ligatures, making it a must-try for any developer. Ready to give Fira Code a try? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this setup guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos on optimizing your coding setup. See you in the next one. Bye.